With the throttle control in the fast or rabbit position, move the shift lever into one of the 6 forward positions or 2 reverse positions. When selecting a drive speed, use slower speeds until you're comfortable and familiar with the operation of the snow thrower. If your snow thrower has power steering, squeezing the right trigger control will turn the snow thrower to the right. Squeezing the left control will turn it to the left. Squeeze the drive control against the handle and the snow thrower will move. Release it and the drive motion will stop. When throwing snow, select a speed appropriate for the snow conditions and a pace you're comfortable with. Never change speeds or direction of travel without first releasing the drive control and bringing the snow thrower to a complete stop. Doing so will result in premature wear to the snow thrower's drive system.